Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to disable Windows startup applications to speed up your PC. So, without further ado, let's get started. Many of us struggle with slow computer startup times, which in most cases is due to the number of programs that Windows runs during system boot. Disabling these startup applications could significantly enhance your PC's performance. Here are the steps to do that. First, let's access the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on your taskbar, then selecting Task Manager. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys together. In the Task Manager window, click on the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of all the programs that start running when your system boots up. The Impact column shows how these applications affect your PC startup time. To disable any application from starting up, simply right-click on the program and select Disable. This won't uninstall the program, but will stop it from running at startup. Do this for all the applications you don't need at startup. Do this with caution, though. Some applications are necessary for the proper functioning of your computer. If you're unsure about a certain application, it's best to leave it enabled. A quick online search should tell you more about the purpose of unfamiliar programs. Remember, you can always enable any disabled application to run at startup if you change your mind later. That's it. It's as easy as that. You now should notice an improvement in your system's boot time. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.